guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious chicken chipotle chili tacos. So in case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by marinating our chicken. Here I have 3 pounds of chicken breast and I already chopped it into small pieces. To that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half of a diced onion, chipotle peppers, I'm using 3. We're going to add 3 minced garlic cloves, 4 teaspoons of garlic salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Okay, so mix it, make sure that the chicken gets fully coated with our spices, chipotle pepper and onion. Alright, so once we have our chicken coated with the marinade, we're going to cover it and allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Alright guys, so while we wait for our chicken to marinate, you can get your chiles ready. Here I already roast mine and I peeled them and also deveined them and cut them open. So I'm just going to start stuffing them with some queso Oaxaca, or of course you can use your favorite melting cheese. And you can use jalapeños or your favorite chile. And of course, depending on how many tacos you're going to make, that depends on how many chiles you're going to get ready. So once we have them ready, now we're just going to continue waiting. Alrighty, and after 30 minutes, we can get ready to begin cooking. Okay, so get your griddle ready, set it on medium-high heat, and once hot, we can begin cooking our chicken. And I'm going to be cooking it in batches for 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken is nice and cooked. Okay, so after 3 minutes, the chicken should be fully cooked. Of course, just check it, but it should be nice and done. So now we're just going to move the chicken to the side and begin to melt the cheese on our peppers. Okay, so just cover them and allow the cheese to melt. Okay, so once our cheese melts, now we can get ready to make our tacos. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So of course I'm going to be serving with some chipotle flavored flour tortillas, and I will leave the link in the description box. And I'm just going to start by spreading some avocado. Top it with our jalapeño. And now grab our chicken. And we're going to keep it very simple with a pico de gallo, just like that. This is everything you can ever ask in a taco. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious chipotle chicken chile taco. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I am so ready, you guys. Let me tell you that I love this type of tacos. Especially, you know, chipotle and chicken is just the best combination. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And like I said, this is everything you can ever ask in a taco. Seriously, the best. From the tortilla to the chicken, it's just perfection. And it's not spicy, it's just perfect. It's a perfect balance. So good. Look at that. The chili is very spicy. The chile is spicy, but of course, you know, you can always pick them. If you don't want your chiles to be spicy, just pick the cleanest chile, not the ones with lines or wrinkled, you know, because those are spicy. But this is just perfect. The best combination. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious chicken chipotle chili tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.